This Windows Update error is one of the many updates error you might encounter while updating Windows 11. Fortunately, it's a cakewalk to get rid of this error code. So your first port of call is to restart your computer. Now restarting the computer will reset all the memory caches and processes, which might be the reason behind the error. If that did not work, use the Windows Update Troubleshooter. Do it by opening Settings, go to System, choose Troubleshoot, click Other Troubleshooter, then click the Run in the Windows Update. Now the Troubleshooter window will appear and start scanning your computer for available issues. And last, for the possible fix, clean up your disk drive. Do it by opening Start menu, type Disk Cleanup, click the drop-down icon, select the drive containing Windows 11 OS, then click OK. Now you have to click on the Clean up System Files option. Then under the Files to Delete section, select the files you want to delete, click OK, and click Delete Files option in the prompt. Now that's how you can fix the following error code in your Windows 11 computer. If you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. You may also click and turn on the notification bell so you can be notified from whenever we release new videos.